Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we are discussing which massive company thinks they should work with Tesla and why I think that they actually should. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today, we are taking a look at a company called Nidec. Now, Nidec is a company that creates next generation drive technology or mini motors for everything that spins and moves. And when I say mini motors, I mean small precision motors in things like hard drives. So in today's video, we are going to take a look further at what Nidec does as a company and why they think their technology would be a good fit with Tesla. And just before we get into that, because I know I'm going to get a ton of comments on it, I apologize for the more casual look, but we are having unusually warm weather for January, so we took advantage and hopped on the Harley to go pick up lunch. But that left me with a good case of helmet head, so I am leaving on the beanie or toque for my Canadian watchers just for the sake of my hair. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video and leave your thoughts down below in the comments, and make sure to check out some of the great links that we have in our description. This includes Webull, who is giving away 4 free stocks right now for signing up and funding a new investment account, so make sure to take a look. All right, now let's get into Nidec. So they trade under the ticker NJDCY, and yes, they are in the over-the-counter markets, but they are available in Robinhood, and currently are trading just shy of the $35 price point. Now, Nidec made headlines this week that said the world's top maker of mini motors bets it can win over Tesla. And that is because Nidec believes that it can make a key component of Tesla's electric vehicles cheaper and better than anybody else can, possibly including Elon Musk. Jun Seki, Nidec's president and chief operating officer, said, "I very much want to have a top-level discussion with Elon Musk. Without an outside partner, Tesla won't be able to achieve Musk's goal of producing 20 million EVs a year by 2030, he said. Now, it's an audacious overture to a company that flirted with being the world's most valuable last week, making Musk the richest man. But Nidec isn't just any ordinary parts supplier. Nidec is actually quite the behemoth in the global electric motor industry. Although the vast majority of people who use this company's products don't know its names, Nidec's motors are used in 85% of the world's hard drives, and it controls almost half of the global market for brushless motors, which control things like air conditioners and factory robots. Nidec is Japan's 9th largest enterprise, with a market value of about $82 billion after climbing 2% on Tuesday. Their products range from their small-size precision motors to medium and large-size motors, as well as electronic devices and automotive and electric vehicle products. And those products are used in a variety of applications, from robotics to home appliances, medical and healthcare products, and automotive components. With Japan, California, and other major automobile markets mandating that all new car sales be electric over the next 2 decades, the global EV traction motor market is on track to reach about $29 billion by 2026. Up until now, much of the industry's focus has been on building out the capacity to produce enough batteries, while improving technology to make them more efficient and expand the range of EVs. After batteries, traction motors are the most expensive component of electric vehicles, meaning the segment is ripe for claiming if a company is able to mass produce a disruptively cheap product. Combining the motor, gears, and electronic components, traction motors are also used in electric trains. They must be able to withstand mechanical stress and cool efficiently because of the high power levels involved. Seki said, as we move forward with mass production, cost will come down and it'll be easier to win out against rivals. Now, Tesla is just one of the car makers that Nidec has reached out to, and they've actually reached agreements to provide EV motors to 22 other car makers. Nidec's pitch to automakers is its e-axle system, which combines motors, gears, and inverters into a single package. As EV makers seek smaller and more efficient powertrains, that will give an edge to manufacturers that are able to design high-precision, durable gears and cool them effectively, all while keeping costs down. Now, to secure the technologies and resources needed, Nidec is ready to spend as much as 1 trillion yen, or $9.7 billion, on mergers and acquisitions. Siki singled out gear and inverter manufacturing as two industries ripe for growth. And Nidec is definitely not new to mergers and acquisitions with other companies. Coming right from Nidec's website, from their frequently asked questions, you can see that as of March 2019, the number of mergers and acquisitions completed was 63 companies. If Nidec's vision plays out, they will be able to offer Tesla and other EV car makers a traction motor for less than $1,000 within the next 5 years, which would be down from the standard cost that those can run today, which would be over $2,000. Nidec sees Europe and China as quick adopters of EV technology and is invested heavily in those areas. And you can see based on this map that they have acquired quite the presence there, but also globally. They also plan to build a $2 billion electric vehicle motor factory for Europe in Siberia. The plant will reportedly produce 200,000 to 300,000 units by 2023 and emerge as one of the largest such production hubs in Europe. While Nidec is a relative newcomer to the EV motor sector with much left to prove, the manufacturer is betting that its plunge into the technology can be modeled after its success in hard drive motors, where it invested early and built production capacity to drive costs down. The company is regarded as a bellwether of manufacturing trends, picking up early on shifts such as the growth of factory automation. Today, Nidec produces more than 3 billion motors a year and is betting that the automotive business will make up a growing portion of the 10 trillion yen in annual net sales that Nagamori aims to reach by fiscal 2030. To hit that goal, they intend to seize the business opportunities arising from global warming and a declining labor force by focusing on the increase of electric and smart vehicles and an increase of energy-saving appliances, plus the rapid expansion of the robot market and agricultural and logistics revolution. The next move Nidec is considering after traction motors is to offer nearly complete EV platforms. There will be demand for such packages from new entrants in the sector that would prefer to focus on a vehicle's interior and styling, Seki said. With the wave of electrification hitting the automotive industry, this kind of creative destruction is already happening. Now, it is likely that many automakers won't want to go out of house for some of their EV technology, but it seems that Nidec already has their foot in the door with many automakers, and we know that this EV trend is only growing more and more. Nidec's stock has seen a lot of growth and success over this past year, and obviously the company is doing really well, but they're also pivoting towards one of the biggest trends in technology. Now, even if they don't come to any agreement with Tesla, it is clear that they are coming to plenty of agreements with other EV automakers, and I think this will lend to their future success. So that is my summary of this exciting mini motor company, Nidec. As always, I love hearing from you guys. So let me know your thoughts on this stock and this technology down in the comments below. Of course, these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and cheers.